deliver my lecture on topic biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. This is from a chapter Our Environment. So we have started the new chapter Our Environment. So hear the entire lecture to get beneficial out of it, and you must study every day. So without any delay, let's start with the topic biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste from chapter Our Environment. So let's start. So you can see chapter name entitled is Our Environment. We'll start with the topic biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. So let's proceed with the topic. Now see, what are biodegradable waste, isn't it? See, biodegradable material can be decomposed by microorganisms such as bacteria, enzymes and fungi. That means biodegradable substances can be broken down, isn't it? It can be easily be degraded. So that's why they are called as biodegradable waste. That's why examples are given. You can see banana peelings and all are there. So these waste can be degraded into smaller particles. Clear? And next is non-biodegradable waste. Now what is a non-biodegradable waste? See, the waste material which cannot be broken down into non-poisonous or harmless substances in nature are called non-biodegradable waste. DDT is not, that means DDT is a non-biodegradable waste. Clear? So example of non-biodegradable waste we can DDT. Clear? DDT is a non-biodegradable waste, so it can be passed along the food chain from crops to man or other animals and birds and harm them. For this reason, DDT has been banned from use of most countries. Non-biodegradable waste are the major pollutants of the environment. Example, polythene bags, plastics, synthetic fiber, glass, metals, synthetic rubber, insecticides and pesticides. These are non-biodegradable waste. So example, you can see the plastic bottles have been given, cans and all. So these are non-biodegradable waste. So here also you can see a lot of examples are shown. A very nice picture I have given. See, non-biodegradable waste, an object that cannot be decomposed into organic and environmentally safe waste products. Clear? This is unlike biodegradable objects which can easily be decomposed by soil bacteria into organic and safe waste material. Clear? So these are non-biodegradable waste. That means they are not decomposed into organic substances, all right, and they are never been decomposed. Plastics, that's why the use of plastics have been banned, isn't it? That's why paper carry bags are being used. So you can see example of non-biodegradable waste are given here. You can see plastics, cell phones, cover and all, etc., tires and all. These are non-biodegradable waste. And if these tires and all are burnt, isn't it? It causes a lot of air pollution also. Next is solid waste. So solid waste are also falling under non-biodegradable waste, like substances which cannot be broken down by decomposers. They do not rot easily or take very long time to rot. Clear? That means these substances do not get rot or do not get decomposed, and if it gets rot also it takes a lot of time. So these are also called solid waste. Like you can see keyboards and all, like plastics and all, they never get rot and they are never get decomposed. Clear? So effects of adding waste to the environment, you can see human activities produce a lot of waste material which are thrown away into the environment. These waste cause pollution of air, water and soil. The waste material produced are of two main types. They are biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. I have already said the definition. I'll give you the examples also very nicely here. The definition and examples are given. See, biodegradable waste are waste which are decomposed into harmful substances by organism. Example, we have vegetables we have, fruits we have, pulses we have, cereals we have, cottons we have, jute, wool, wood, leather, pepper, animal dung, isn't it? Animal bones, these all are biodegradable waste. As well as non-biodegradable definition, the waste which cannot be decomposed by microorganisms, and the definition I have said earlier also. So example you can see highlighted here: polythene bags, plastics, synthetic fiber, glass, metals, synthetic rubber, insecticides and pesticides. These are non-biodegradable waste. So student, finally I've given you certain homework questions. So these are the homework questions for today. First is define biodegradable waste with example, and define non-biodegradable waste with example. So you have to copy it down in your classwork copy. You have to write down the notes also. It's given in the PPT and a video lecture. So my dear student, this was all about today's lecture about biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. So this I have taken from the top chapter our environment. So finally we have started our environment chapter also, and this is the first topic in our environment. Hope you have liked the lecture, and you have watched the entire lecture, and you have already gained the basics out of it. So stay at home, stay safe, and always keep your studying mode on. As I always say, always keep your studying mode on. So thank you student. Again we'll meet in the next class. So I'm Shomajit sir, signing off for today.